Hi, I'm Lee Stevens from easycurtains.co.uk and I want to show you what to do if you're fitting a track to the ceiling in a bay or a ceiling in a room and you're struggling to get a good fixing. Here's an alternative fixing that you can use. So let's go and have a quick look. Okay, the fixing we're going to use is a toggle bolt. We've got a screw head on this end, and then we've got two little wings that are spring loaded on this side, and they'll pop open once we go through the hole that we're going to drill into the ceiling with an 8mm drill bit. So let's go and have a look at that. Creating an 8mm hole in the plasterboard ceiling, ready to fit the toggle bolt. Okay, we've got the regular track here with the bracket on, ceiling fix, and we've got the toggle with the wings on the top here now, and we've got the screw head inside the bracket. So we're going to present this up to the ceiling now and pop it into that hole we've just created. So let's go and have a look at that. Okay, I've got the wings on the toggle folded backwards, and we're popping it up now, and I could hear the wings pop open, and if we pull this down now, the wings are holding it up in there. So we're going to just use the driver now to tighten up this, and you need to pull down on the track and the bracket. And there we go. That toggle bolt has now firmly fitted that track up to the ceiling. Do that for any brackets that you're not happy that are completely solid up to the ceiling. Okay, so we've got that track now, and I'm really pulling down from the ceiling, and that is a solid fixing. It would take an enormous amount to break that fixing free. So only use these if the red plugs we supply are not doing the job well enough. Then get a packet of these from Screwfix. You can find the link in the video just here to the ones that I use, and you'll have no problems at all fitting your track to a ceiling in a bay or just over the top of the window on a straight window. So I hope that was useful.